Hi, in this video, I will be demonstrating how to use the maintenance tool in TrueSide orchestration to encrypt the password. From TrueSide orchestration platform 2002, a security enhancement has been introduced which makes it mandatory to provide encrypted passwords in silent installation options file. Maintenance tool is available over BMC electronic product download, and it is also available with a TSO Windows Server installer in below mentioned path. For the purpose of this video, I have already downloaded the maintenance tool and will be demonstrating how to use it. Once you extract the file, you would see platform maintenance scripts for Windows and Linux operating system respectively. For Windows operating system, right click on it and run it as an administrator. Now, on the top left side, you will see three tabs. Go to encrypt, write the password which you want to encrypt, and click on encrypt. Now here you have got the encrypted password. Copy it and use it in the options file for the respective TSO platform component. Thank you for watching this video.